it is chasing myself. I honestly don't even know who I am, nor do I know how to be myself. What should I do? Now, to quickly answer this question is that you already answered your question. It's you. You already know who you are because, again, you wake up and go to sleep the same person you are right now. Sometimes it's a hard concept to think about, but like, you already know who you are because you are yourself. That's it. You gotta stop overthinking that answer. You don't really truly know who you are. You are your flaws, you are your positive traits, you are your negative traits, you are all of those things that are in one stirring pot, and that's you. So that's who you are, and only you know that. Only you know all of your flaws, all of your positive things. So that's you right now. You can change it, but that's you at this starting point. And again, nobody ever truly knows who they are ever in life. You could be 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80. Nobody ever knows who they truly are because it's a constant game. You're constantly evolving into a different person every single day. You're constantly changing. So to know who you truly are at this point, I can only tell you who I am right now. In 10 minutes, I might be a different person. An hour ago, I was a different person. So it's constantly changing. You're never truly going to know who you are. And if you want a tip on how you can actually kind of, I wouldn't say enhance knowing yourself, but when most people answer this question is because you're a follower and you're not a leader. Now, it doesn't mean you're a beta and someone's an alpha. It's just that you are accustomed to following other people's ideologies. Social media has made it so that anybody can follow the dominant wave of ideology. And then they lose themselves in that process. But since they're riding that wave, they become that dominant attitude, that dominant mentality. So again, is social media telling you who you are, or are you telling yourself who you are? Did Instagram tell you who you are today? Or did you go through your journal? Did you meditate? And did you tell yourself who you are today? That's how you find yourself. How many times do I have to say, it's not coming through your phone. Your inspiration is not coming through your phone. It's coming through you. You are the one. You are the only one that knows who you truly are. Social media and social engineering has broken your mind into thinking a certain way. But you can get out of that. You can free your mind from that. But you got to be able to turn off your phone. Go outside, get a journal, and start writing. You ain't got nothing else. You have nothing else in your way. I don't want to hear no music. I don't want to hear no TV. I don't want to hear no radio. Just you in pure silence with yourself. You want to find yourself? Go ahead and sit outside for 5 minutes. Nothing. It's just you and yourself. Maybe all those negative things that you've always thought about start to come to the forefront. Talk to yourself through it. Talk yourself through it. Love your flaws. But you can't find yourself being on your phone. You're not going to find yourself on technology. You're not going to find yourself in the metaverse. It comes within and only within. The metaverse ain't going to tell you who you are. It ain't gonna cheer you up. It's not gonna heal your wounds. You gotta be able to do that in here first. And also, you should explore different hobbies in life. Most of them are free. So it's not like you have to chase things that are expensive. You don't have to go to a club. You ain't gotta go to Miami. You ain't gotta go to LA. Find different free hobbies. Volunteering. Giving up, food shelters to the homeless. All those things will slowly build up your happiness, giving back to the world, starting a garden, planting trees, whatever. Slowly just give back to the world. And then you'll start to slowly find yourself. Connecting with good people. You might be following the wrong people in life. And if you are, stop hanging out with them. Go start hanging around positive people, and you realize that if you slowly start to surround yourself with positive people, That'll become you. That'll rub off on you. You're surrounding yourself by negativity, music, TV, radio, books. All of those things are impacting you negatively. So no wonder sometimes people feel bad. No wonder you feel like this. Because you're letting somebody else tell you something about yourself. You gotta be able to get out of your comfort zone as well. You might be in a state of comfort, which is a blessing. Most people aren't, which is a blessing. But I'm not saying you need to go do some dangerous stunt. I'm saying if you are shy, you gotta be able to break yourself out of that mold. And then once you start doing things that you're uncomfortable with, you start to find yourself. But if you keep doing things that you like, things that you're comfortable with, you're never gonna elevate in life. You keep doing the same thing, that's all you're gonna know. If somebody asks you, what do you like to do? Let's say someone asks you, who are you? You're in a job interview. Somebody asks, what do you like to do? You only got one thing and you can do that thing really well. Okay, that's cool, but you want to be able to that person who can say, I like to do all these different types of things. But self-discovery only happens internally. It don't happen on your phone. It don't happen watching TV. It don't happen blowing time by playing video games. You got to be able to get outside or even be inside in your journal and attack your goals. Write down what you want to do. Write down who you think you want to be. And that's how you elevate in life. That's how you're going to be able to move forward.